What's up, my lovelies? Welcome back to my channel, Sassy Chef Says, and today's review is going to be another interesting one by my favorite, the Bling bag. The June edition is here, so let's get down to unboxing this beauty. But before that, I quickly want to take a moment to appreciate two things in my look right now. One is this really beautiful deep navy lippy, which is from Clove and Hallow. The shade is called Jet Setter, and it is that ideal bold deep navy shade, another vegan and cruelty friendly brand that I support. I love, and I'm just like digging this shade. It's been on my face for like an entire day and it's staying there as is. Another makeup, or I would say another thing that I'm crushing over in this look right now, is these beautiful eyelashes by another favorite US brand of mine, Morphe. This is the lash. It's called Hollywood Hills, and oh my god, it's so pretty, right? So the June edition is dedicated to something really cool and quirky called as the Shapeology. They say our June Shapeology Bling bag is here to celebrate life with all the shapes it takes. Style these bold shapes we have handpicked for you and embrace life the way it comes. Don't stop experimenting and let your life take various shapes and enjoy the journey with a smile. So I, for one, like the quirky different shapes, whether it's geometrical or whether it's like you know, a funky shape mixed and matched with another design, say a tassel trend, or say mixing of two metals or alloys. I really am interested in seeing what the Shapeology Bling bag is going to be about. It comes with, of course, pieces of information and another contest that you can enter if you want. Also, I'm going to be linking my code below, so if you want to order in your Bling bag for the month of June, you'll get an amazing discount on your purchase. Okay, so as usual, you guys know that Bling bag comes with its own clutch or purse. So for the Shapeology, it comes with this really sleek looking pouch, and I really like it. It feels heavy. The leather is so nice and soft. Let's open this baby up. And inside, of course, we have 4 amazing pieces of jewelry. And along with the jewelry, of course, comes in their own information and the story about that particular piece. So now I'm going to be reaching out to a stack of rings that I saw. It's called Paramount stacked rings. Now these are 3 rings from the June Shapeology collection, and these are studded with crystals and a pretty red stone. So I'm gonna just like throw this on, take my ring off, and show you guys how it looks. So these are how the rings actually look like, and you can actually very separately stack these 2 together or 3 of them combined and they'll look amazing. I actually think that the red crystal combined with the studs are giving it such a classy look. And I have an idea. I think that this is going to be really perfect to be worn on your dresses or your shorts, and this is going to be like really perfect for your festivals or your, you know, any of your parties, especially the dance festivals that are right around the corner. So many happening. Next up are these beautiful Luke statement earrings, and I like the fact that the Bling bag has combined gold and silver elements. The star shape is so amazing, and it's going to ensure that you're the star of every party. How cute are these? And these are going to be like, again, ideal for party wear, or you know what, they're so like statement earrings. I would say that you don't really need anything else to go with it. And even though this is like a hint of silver oxidized jewelry with the red stone, it still kind of goes with it because it has hints of silver and gold both. So I really like that about the Bling bag. Next up are these beautiful tassel earrings called Borla Delicate earrings, and this is again like a unique piece since it has layered leaves of metal, enamel and studded crystals. I really like the yellow stone, the crystal in between, and I think that this is going to be an ideal pick for your LBDs, if you know what I mean. And I, for one, if I'm actually So either I go over the top when it comes to accessorizing, or I keep really simple. So this is going to be really handy on the days where I plan to keep it really simple, clean, chic, very like hassle-free look, I would say. So this is going to be your ideal pick or your best friend for your hassle-free looks that you have. So LBDs, watch out for this one. Next up is this beautiful Salta statement necklace which has teardrop crystals, and I like the color combination from lighter blue to darker hues and to the grey crystal in between to a really statement pendant. I think this is going to be like an ideal pick for your Indo-Western or on your kurtis or Indian looks. But you know what, since it is the festival season, I'm going to go right up and I'm going to throw this right here somewhere like this, because it has like a long chain, and there you go. This is like an ideal festival boho look, and I really like to turn necklaces which have like beautiful pendants like these into like a beautiful gorgeous head turner headgear, and this is one of those pieces and I am in love with it. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the unboxing video as much as I did, and make sure to like, share, subscribe and spread the love, and come back here for another video and many such videos of reviews, travel, fashion and so much more. Also make sure to let me know in the comments below which was your favorite piece of jewelry out of all the 4 pieces that you saw today. Make sure to hit the bell notification on so that you don't miss out every time we put out a video. I love you guys. Stay sassy.